Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this one, I'm going to show you how I play an old funk jam that I used to skate to back in the day. Cutie Pie by One Way. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and we're going to start the song by playing one chord or vamping on one chord that sounds like this. That's an A7 suspended 4. We're going to play that chord by holding down the B and high E string at fret 15 and the G string at fret 14. We're going to play just those three strings. That's A7 suspended 4. We're going to strum that chord like this. So that's down with a chuck, and a chuck is a down up strum muted. So like that. So down, then up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's going to sound like this in the tune. Alright, now when we go to the change chord, we're going to go to a G, then an A. We're making that G, it's a simple triad, and we're going to hold down the B string at fret 3, the G string at fret 4, and the D string at fret 5, and we're playing just those strings. We're going to raise it by 2 frets, and that's an A. G, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And with the recording, that'll sound like this. Now for our next part, we're going to play this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what we have there is a B minor 7. We're holding down everything from the D string down at fret 7. And then we'll go to our A and the G back up. So it's like this. Same strumming pattern. And in the song, that's going to sound like this. Well, my friends, that's all you have to learn in order to play Cutie Pie by One Way on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.
dancing with a cutie pie.